Welcome, engineers. Today we're examining the Bullet Energy Interactive Calculator, a specialized tool that solves critical ballistics calculations for projectile design and analysis. When you're developing ammunition systems or analyzing terminal ballistics, you need rapid conversion between kinetic energy, velocity, and mass parameters. Let's explore the interface. The primary control is the Calculation Mode dropdown. You'll find 6 distinct modes: Calculate kinetic energy from mass and velocity, Calculate velocity from energy and mass, Calculate mass from energy and velocity, Calculate momentum and power factor, Calculate sectional density and ballistic coefficient, and compare two loads. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate kinetic energy from mass and velocity. Notice how the interface dynamically adjusts. We now see two input fields: bullet mass in grains and muzzle velocity in feet per second. Let's work through a practical example. For a standard 9mm cartridge, enter 124 into the bullet mass field. That's 124 grains. Next, enter 1,150 into the muzzle velocity field. That's 1,150 feet per second. The calculator instantly computes the kinetic energy as 364 foot-pounds force. This output represents the total kinetic energy delivered by your projectile at the muzzle. In practice, this value directly correlates to stopping power, penetration depth, and material deformation characteristics. Higher values indicate greater terminal performance, but also increased recoil forces. Here's a critical insight. Many engineers mistakenly use bullet weight in grams instead of grains. Remember, 1 grain equals 0.0648 grams. This conversion error can throw off your entire ballistic analysis by a factor of 15. Find the link in the description below.